Hello, this is Nara from Letter Designs. Today we're going to talk on how to make a seamless repeating pattern in Canva. Here we are on the website on Canva. I'm going to create a new design. I'm going to go to create a design, custom design. From pixels, I'm going to compare it on inches, which is more easy. Then we're going to do 12 by 12. And then I'm going to hit create a new design. Now we have here the first design where we're going to work with. I'm going to hit for the colors. You can choose whatever you want. In my case, I will create a Christmas pattern. You can do it with a red, which is very popular, a dark green, which is another popular color for Christmas, white, but in my case I'm going to choose this green. We have different elements in Canva which are free if you don't have a pro, and you can use them. In my case I'm going to combine my own designs with the free elements from Canva. So let me go to uploads, and then I'm going to choose different designs from my collection. I'm going to start with this little guy here, which I'm going to put it here in the right side. We have to keep in mind that we have to level our design. I'm going to duplicate. You see, this has to be leveled, and then I'm going to flip it. So this is my first one. Then I'm going to choose this little cute cat. I'm going to put it here in the middle. If you see that the design is a little big, then you can accommodate it according to your needs. Let me erase that one and let me duplicate it. Let me put it here in the corner again, and then let me flip it. Keeping in mind that it's level. Then I'm going to put this little giraffe here in the center. Let me put it right here. Then I'm going to duplicate it, keeping the label here. Okay, let me choose this little tiger, which is so cute. And then I'm going to put it here in the corner. Then I'm going to duplicate it, and let me put it here, right here in the middle, since I will create a new designs with it. And let me bring this little guy here. Let me put it here in the corner, duplicate it, and let me put it right here. Then I'm going to choose the free elements from Canva. Let me choose this snowflakes, which I'm going to put it here. Let me move that little giraffe in here. Let me put it here, and then I'm going to, you accommodate whatever you feel like decorating your pattern. Let me choose this gift. Put it here. As we were saying, so you will accommodate it according to your needs, according to how you feel to decorate your pattern. Let me put this Christmas tree, which is part of the Christmas spirit, which is coming very soon, Christmas. So let me put it here, and let me move it here. Okay, and so on, you will fill it up. Then I'm going to go here, and we'll download it, and I will choose JPEG, and then I will go to download. Now, another way to create a new design is to fill it up the pattern with different designs. Let me choose these flakes. Let me put it here. Let me choose the golden color. I will duplicate it and put it here in the middle. And then I will choose this green, yeah. And then I will just keeping in mind different decorations. To save a little time on the video and don't be so bored, I already create the pattern with the snowflakes in different colors and in different sizes. And what I will do is to fill it up with different designs. Let me choose this llama to create, to decorate it here in the holes. Remember, this is part of my collection. This tiger again. Put it here in the bottom. Okay, let's bring this little bear. Let's put it here as for feet. Even a dolphin. What I'm trying to do is to create a different style, having in mind that we had the plagues. Bring this little cute gorilla. Let me put it here, accommodating accordingly to that. Then let me combine it again with the different free designs that Canva offered to us. Even if you don't have a pro account, even if you have a free account, you can choose these elements for free. Let me bring it here, so we keep decorating with okay, let's duplicate it. Let's bring it here, and so on. And then after you fill it up, again you go here, you choose download the page that you need, in my case on 2, and JPEG, and then I would download it. Now another way to create another design is to go to the grids. Okay, let me go to the grids and just choose the grids that we want to need. Usually it's this one with the squares. We're going to go to spacing. As you see, it's 10. Let's remove all the space and let's go to 0. And since I already downloaded the first creation that I did, let me put it in the little squares to fill it up. This one I'm going to flip it in order to put the tiger here, as you see. That's what I did it half before. And let me flip it again. So this is another way to create another creation for the seamless pattern. Let me go here to downloads again. You choose the page that you need, in my case number 3, and I will choose JPEG, and then I will download it. Now, in order to create a high quality design, which is 300 dpi, I'm using paint.net, which you can download it from the computer for free. Already I downloaded the paint.net. I already upload my design, and what I'm going to do is going to go to image, resize, from resolution I will choose 300, then the size, which original was 12, I will keep in 12, and then I will hit OK, and this is how we create a high quality resolution 300 dpi, which we can sell it outside, even on Etsy, your website, Creative Fabrica, or whatever you choose a website to sell your designs. Thank you for watching, and this is how you make a repeating pattern in Canva for free. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.